Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna take you through how to fix login error in Solvely app on your device. So first thing, you need to ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, and secondly there might be various updates on your app. So simply you need to click on the App Store, or if you are an Android user you can simply go to your Play Store. After clicking on the App Store you can simply find the apps Solvely, and if there are any kinds of updates available in the app Solvely, you have to update the app. And also you can go to the settings of your device, click on the general and click on the iPhone storage, and you need to simply select the app Solvely in which you are facing errors. And after clicking on the Solvely, there is the option offload app which is highlighted in blue, and you need to simply click on the offload app. And after offloading the app there will be the option called reinstall your app, and you need to simply reinstall your app. And this is how you can also fix the error which you are facing in login. And also you have to make sure that you are entering the very correct password and emails on Solvely, or if you have forgotten your password you can simply go to the app's password recovering features, and also you can email to their help center of related app which you are facing error. So this is how you can fix the error in Solvely app. So hope this video helped. So make sure you have liked, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification in the next video. Thank you.